Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can process data from Google Forms. So if you create a Google form and the respondents are already filled in the answer, you can see on my Google form here there are 23 responses, and if you want to process this data, you need to extract the data first into a Google Sheets. And to do that, you can just go to the responses, and here you can see there is a Google Sheets icon, and you can just click on this to view the responses in Google Sheets. So just click on that, and then usually if you haven't extract the data from to Google Sheets, there will be a pop-up question whether you want to extract the data into an existing Google Sheets file, or you want to create a new Google Sheets file. So the data will look like this. You can just wait. So the data will go like this, and then you can just sort or filter the data based on your need. But here is the like the example of how the data will look like. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.